Last year, Ford launched an electric vehicle leasing program for Uber drivers, so let's discuss. So the program originally began in San Diego last year and has expanded to San Francisco and Los Angeles. Those are the three markets it's currently available in. And the program allows approved Uber drivers to lease Mustang Mach-E SUVs weekly with no long-term commitment required and the option of different pricing tiers based on miles driven. And in order to participate in the program, Uber drivers in San Francisco, Los Angeles, and San Diego need to have at least 100 trips and also a minimum of a 4.85 star rating. If you are eligible, the program will appear in your Uber vehicle marketplace. Ford does conduct a soft credit check to apply for the program, which doesn't hurt your credit score, and they also evaluate your ability to afford the lease payments. And you don't need a deposit and can lease the Mustang Mach-E SUV in 1-week increments with a minimum term of 31 days. And the lease also includes hassle-free maintenance coverage and no mandatory vehicle swap. Drivers will also have access to the over 84,000 charging plugs nationally through the Blue Oval Charge network. And again, the vehicle currently available through the program is the Mustang Mach-E SUV. And it's compact enough to maneuver tight city streets and parking garages, but roomy enough for comfortable transportation for your riders. Ford Drive prides itself on its superior customer service. They provide personalized assistance from the moment you sign up and throughout your lease term. The lease term is flexible and comes with 24/7 roadside assistance. Safety and security are top priorities for Ford Drive and its customers. You get hassle-free maintenance coverage from the moment you pick up your vehicle. And again, you can charge your Mustang Mach-E at charging stations throughout California. Again, the longest term that you must commit to is 31 days, and you can return the vehicle without penalty after satisfying that short-term lease. The Mustang Mach-E SUV is gas-free with an expansive range and 0 emissions, and drivers in the program qualify for the Uber Green incentive, which pays an additional $1 per trip. Currently, Ford Drive offers 2 pricing tiers based on your intended mileage, and you can toggle between the 2. As far as some pros of the program, it's easy to qualify. The short-term lease with flexible terms, superior customer support, convenient charging, plenty of riding and storage space in the vehicle, no upfront fee or deposit, no mandatory monthly vehicle swap, and it covers the cost of scheduled maintenance and service. And again, to sign up for Ford Drive, you must be an approved Uber driver with at least 100 trips and a minimum 4.85 star rating. So that's the Ford Drive program. Again, it's available in San Francisco, Los Angeles, and San Diego. There are 2 pricing tiers based on intended mileage. But what about all of you? What do you think of this program? For those of you that are in those markets in California, if you do want to join the program, again, check your Uber vehicle marketplace. Thanks again for watching and drive safe. Thanks.